Hi, so I'm gonna make a video about my hair because it's been really oily, it's been really greasy, and every time I wash my hair it actually starts to become oily again. So I started using dry shampoo and it's literally the best thing ever. When I wake up in the morning, my hair is really oily and greasy, and like if I'm going to work or school, it's just a mess because it just looks so bad. I wanted to talk about like my DIY dry shampoo. I found it on Google. If you Google like recipes for DIY dry shampoo, there's like a bunch on there, and I'll just tell you which one I use and which one worked best for me. 3 ingredients for the dry shampoo that I have and are the most common are the cornstarch powder. I think it's cornmeal powder actually. It's either cornstarch or cornmeal. I'll like put it down below which one's the correct one. There's the baking soda powder, and then there's the hot cocoa powder. The hot cocoa powder is just for color, so you just add the color in there and the powder, mix it, and then it becomes like a light brown color instead of just a white color. And then I have my regular dry shampoo. It's called Bastiste. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. This one's gonna have the DIY dry shampoo, and then this one's gonna have the regular dry shampoo. So we'll compare the difference and see if the DIY shampoo is as good as the regular dry shampoo. So we'll see. So for the DIY dry shampoo, I literally just put it in this cup, and I have like this brush which has some of it on there. This has the cornstarch, like I said before, baking soda, and then the hot cocoa powder. It smells really good. It smells like hot cocoa, which some people might not like. I wonder if there is like another brown powder that just doesn't have a smell in it. Maybe if you guys know anything like that, just like comment it down below. I just have like this huge, it's kind of like a kabuki brush. It's like a huge brush, really poofy, so I feel like it can like get everywhere in my hair. So I just like tap a little bit, and see there's a lot on there, and then I just tap the excess off. It does have powder on there, but not as much. I start from here because this is like the front part of my hair is where the most oil is. More tap, go like here, like in the roots. That's probably a lot. I normally put the most at the front. And then I start going down. So I just put some here. The hang of it and realize where most of your oil is. You get used to like doing it, and it kind of becomes a routine. The biggest thing you need is the cornstarch. The cornstarch is like the main thing you need. I'm gonna get it here. So I just go like this. Like I said, try to get in there. So as you can see, like this side looks way better than this side. It's like this looks more washed. Like my hair is not sticking together, right? Like see how it's kind of like sticking here? It's not as bad today. It's normally worse. So maybe you guys might look at this and be like, oh, it's not too bad. But this actually does get worse. Another con about this powder is like your leggings. If you're wearing leggings, you're gonna get powder all over your leggings and your shirt. So I always wear like my house clothes when I'm doing this, and then I change into like my regular clothes after. I use the DIY dry shampoo on this side. It goes its own direction. It's not sticking like this side. You can see it's like the hairs are sticking. There's more volume. It looks so much better. And then this side, I'm gonna use the store-bought dry shampoo, which is gonna work so much faster. That's one big pro about the dry shampoo that you buy from the stores. They just work so much faster. I'll brush it out after I'm done this side of my hair. I'll brush both out, and then we can like compare. Okay, so this is the dry shampoo I use. It's called Bastiste. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly or not. I got this from Marshall's, and they also have these at Walmart as well. I think even Target has them. Like they're kind of like everywhere, which is awesome and very convenient. I had another one and I ran through it within like 2 to 3 weeks, I think, like really fast. That kind of just goes to show how bad my hair is doing this summer, but it's fine. Also, don't forget the back. You can see like this is way stronger than the DIY. That's why I keep this for emergencies. Like see how fast it worked. And then like as you can see, like my hair literally turned white. Okay, so before I brush my hair, let's compare the two sides. So this is like unbrushed. So this is the DIY shampoo and this is the regular dry shampoo. I would say they both did the job. This one just took a little longer because it's not a spray and it's like more natural. It doesn't have as much chemicals, whereas the other one has a lot of chemicals, so it was so much faster. I'm just gonna brush my hair and then you can still see like the dry shampoo, so definitely make sure you like brush it out. I think they have like dry shampoo sprays that have like brown in them now. I just don't know if it's good or not. I haven't like tried it. I don't know. It looks so much better. It's like more free flowing. It's not like sticking together. I would say the only con is, I don't know if you guys can tell, you probably can, this side looks a little bit white, grayish almost, and it has that white residue left over, but like I said, it kind of dissolves and like collects all the oil and just kind of goes away. But I would say the DIY dry shampoo worked so well. When I started using it, I was like shocked that it worked as well as like the professional, like the one you buy from the store dry shampoo. Both sides look amazing. I'm so happy that they both turned out really well. And now like my hair looks normal. Like it looks like I washed it. Even though I said that like 10 times, I'm gonna keep saying it. Like it looks so much better. So this is like a different angle of my hair, and like it doesn't look like one is better than the other. They both look equal to me. I don't know if you guys think one looks better than the other, but I feel like they both look equal to me. Convenient to have, especially because it's summer and like everyone's sweating and it's hot all the time. It's important to have like DIY shampoo or regular shampoo just in case. Because of that, it's just annoying to deal with oily hair and like going wherever you want to go with oily hair, because it's just gonna bother you the whole day and then it'll just get worse. Like so if you overuse anything, it's bad for you. So I'm just gonna say, like, I feel like it's not good to like overuse it. Definitely like actually take a shower. Sometimes I use the dry shampoo for like 2 days and then wash my hair the third day. I take a shower every day, but girls are different when it like comes to washing their hair. I mean, like some girls wash their hair every day, but I try not to wash my hair every day because my hair is just like annoying and hard to deal with. If you use dry shampoo for the first and second day, just wash your hair on the third day. Like I said, if you guys have any tips, just like comment it down below because I need all the tips I can get for my hair. Okay, so that was my videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I was able to help in some way, and have a good day. Thank you so much. Bye.